Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I want to show you guys exactly how I make money and all my Solana and meme coins. And no bro, I do not trade meme coins. I actually dev the coins from start to finish. Now I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars in the past year, and I truly believe that deving meme coins is way more profitable than trading. That's why I'm making this video. I will show you guys exactly how to dev coins all into this video for completely free. Now in 2026 bro, you have to start deving meme coins. That's exactly why I'm making this video, and this phantom wallet all came purely from launching meme coins on Pump.Fun bro. Let's fucking go. Now a couple months ago I used to trade meme coins a lot, but turning into 2026 bro, there's a reason to why I stopped. Now me and most people lose money in meme coins because every single time we buy a coin, we get completely liquidated and dumped on by the fucking dev right after we buy. Now this right here happens a lot, and it happens to most coins. That's why I stopped trading and I started launching my own coins, because now as a dev I am profiting from this scheme. And believe it or not bro, a bunch of KOLs are actually shifting to deving because it's honestly way more profitable with way less risk than trading. And that's a fact. Because when you trade meme coins bro, you are sending your capital to the creators. Every single time you buy a coin, you are entrusting your money to the dev. Now, like I said, that's why I started deving, and the process is really fucking simple. All we're doing is creating coins based off of certain narratives for completely free. It costs like basically like $1, $0, something like that, right? And then we wait for buyers, and when the market cap is high, we dump on them, and then we rinse and repeat this method over and over again. Now I am making this video because I want to ungatekeep the method. I want to show you guys how it's done from A to Z all into this video. I do not sell a course. I am fully transparent, so keep watching bro. This is gonna be insane. And by the way bro, this entire video was made for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, so please do not copy me. Chop! Now when someone starts planning their first meme coin launch, the platform they usually end up choosing to launch meme coins is Pump.Fun. It is the most recognizable option, so it feels like the easy decision. But that's where people make mistakes. Pump.Fun is packed to the fucking brim. Tokens are created non-stop, and most of all these coins will disappear immediately. So if you're still launching there bro, you're not really building anything, you were just chasing a lucky outcome. And there's a serious drawback. Pump.Fun controls your liquidity pool and takes a cut from your creator fees. So from the very start, you were giving up control of your own project, and that's why I do not launch here anymore. Now, as a dev, okay, the real goal is getting your token in front of the radium traders and to get your meme coin migrated right here. And as you guys may know, leveling up your meme coin from Pump.Fun to fucking radium takes a $50,000 market cap. That's exactly why I switched to create Meme.io, because this launchpad removes all of those roadblocks. It skips the entire body curve progress, and every single coin launched through here will go directly onto radium immediately, skipping the slow mill steps, so it reaches active traders right away and gives you a real edge over every single other dev. That's exactly why a bunch of people are gatekeeping this launchpad, and by the way, you control your whole coin. Now here's exactly how to officially launch a meme coin using Create Meme. You have two different ways to make a coin, and honestly bro, it's up to you to choose which one you want to use. The first way is to create a whole new coin from completely scratch. Okay, so for example, I would go on X, I would go on Reddit, I would go on Google News, right? And I would look for something viral to turn into a meme coin potentially. So for example, I would be looking for viral tweets from big names. I would be looking for any meme, any project, any community, and I would make a coin out of it by creating a name, symbol, and image. And just like that bro, your meme coin would be live after these steps. But I personally use the second method to scale my portfolio every single day, and I use the copy trending coins this feature right here, because all these coins right here are all going viral on Pump.Fun. They're all getting volume. They all have a bunch of fucking transactions, which means they are viral. And the whole point of the copy trading coins feature is to copy a coin from here to Radium and griff a bunch of fucking profits on your copy, and you can just rinse and repeat that method. Obviously, bro, I will be doing an example to show you guys exactly how it works, so let's go. But anyways, let's make a coin right now, live on camera. Now it's time for the best part of today's video. Okay, so first of all, make sure your phantom wallet is connected. Then if you want, okay, you can click on refresh to have the new coins. And now let's look for a coin to copy. I like to go for anything you know, that pops up, so I'm gonna go for the, wait, which one? I'm gonna copy the Elon coin. It has a last buy 2 seconds ago, which is not too shabby. Click on copy the Radium, wait for a phantom wallet to pop up, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copy. Just give it some time. It should take like 1 or 2 seconds. Boom. If I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it is live on chain 11 seconds ago. Everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is where everything activates. We're adding liquidity here, and then it will open up the market to the Radium DEX, where people will be able to buy and sell your coin through the Radium DEX, right? And through your control. There's 2 easy steps. First, token A, click on 90%. That will obviously put 900 million tokens into the liquidity pool. For token B, this is the first buy into your market, into your coin, right? You as a dev, you have to buy a bit of that supply and be the first buyer to profit later. But don't worry about it, bro. You will get this money back later. When you remove the liquidity, it will come back. So, you know, it's like if you spent nothing, right? I'm gonna put 0.3 SOL. Click on create pool, wait for phantom wallet to pop up. Hello, and then ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. After that, when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Elon coin is on live, and your profits will show up right here. And whenever you want, bro, if you want to check how much you're up in profits, if you're up or down, click on the refresh button. And as you guys can see, it refreshed, and now we're up $116 because people are now buying our coin on Radium. Now click on your preferred terminal. I like to go on Photon. That's what I personally use. Okay, let me go in full screen to see the coin better, and then it should load in a couple fucking seconds. And boom, now the coin is live. As you guys can see, we're getting transactions on the spot because people are interested in our coin since we copied it on create meme.io. Okay, I'm telling you guys, bro, the power of deving is actually insane, because trading, bro, you have to risk your money, but when you dev your own meme coins, bro, you're not spending anything. It's basically, you know, we created this coin for free, for example, right? Anybody can launch a meme coin, right? $80. Oh my god, bro, the chart is fucking pumping. $80, 22, 60. If I had to guess, I think I'm up like fucking 500 by now or some shit. I don't even know, bro. We will see. Okay, by the end of the video, 2k market cap, 1.2k liquidity. I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to go up and up and up, and I'll be right back to see how much we're up and to cash out. Alright guys, I am back, and we are at a $6,000 market cap, bing, and we have 2.2k in liquidity. Things are looking good. I think right now it's time to cash out. So come back to create meme.io when you are ready, whenever the fuck you want. And then obviously, bro, click on the refresh button, right, just to make sure. And as you guys can see, we are up $2,000 on the dot, which is not too shabby, right? Because we have a 2k liquidity. Now, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, wait for a phantom wallet to pop up. It should pop up soon. And then ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm. And bang, that's exactly how you do it from start to finish. Obviously, it's all for educational purposes only. Now if I open my wallet to see if we received it, boom, we received it because it's an official fucking phantom transaction. $2,000 went in my wallet, right? For example, now sometimes your coin might do like $100, sometimes like 50, sometimes 0, sometimes 1,000, or sometimes 100,000. You never know. Okay, make sure to be consistent. And yeah, bro, create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Good luck. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and join my Telegram group and Discord to enter, bro. Let's fucking go.